Hey guys, Ken Kaplan here. I didn't think this day would come because I thought this was going to be my forever FXR, but it's going to go up for sale. And I can't give it away, but I'm going to price it at a very good value. Once you see what it is, you'll understand why. This is an 87 Fxrs-Sp, one of only 257 made in 1987. There's less than a dozen of these suspected to be surviving in this kind of condition, and this one is absolutely the crown jewel of FXRs. It has a long travel suspension right from the factory. It has a 39 millimeter long travel forks with the Screaming Eagle fork brace on there, and it is mechanically an absolute 10. The paint is absolutely stunning on it. Original factory paint. I have a letter from Harley Davidson saying this original paint only came, there was only 257 of these made. I'll show you the letter in a moment. The bike, I guess I'll start with the engine. It's the original matching numbers Evolution motor with only 11,000 miles on it. The crank was balanced. It has a, I forget the model of the cam, but I'll read it off the spec sheet for you in a moment. It's got a builder's cam, a custom cam. The heads were sent to Branch Flowmetrics, where they were, Jerry Branch, where the heads were done by Branch. They're absolute experts with the FXR heads. And it's got high compression pistons. So the crank was balanced, high compression pistons, heads were done. It's got a oversized RevTech carburetor and a high flow air filter with a Thunder header, which is the #1 absolute best exhaust you could ever put on an FXR. The oil's been changed every 1,000 miles, so it's been changed 11 times. It's Redline 2050 racing oil. It's running not pump gas, it's running race fuel in it. That's all it's ever been run through it by Dr. Dave. Dr. Dave was an airplane mechanic who has been building engines and working on bikes his whole life. He's been totally obsessed with this bike since day one. So it has a set of long travel Works Performance shocks, which are, it's a $600 pair of shocks. It has the chrome belt cover on there, lay down license plate, original factory seat, original handlebars. It's got the chrome brake and clutch lever, original turn signals. Again, the Screaming Eagle brace, and the brakes are brand new polished stainless steel rotors with the pads are basically new, and the tires are 90% tread front and rear. It's just a dime piece. I don't know what else I can tell you about it. I'll show you the literature in a second. It came from Harley Davidson of Sacramento, California. Just an absolute dime. The engine is stone cold. My hand's on the pipe. It's about 9 degrees outside. It's maybe 55 degrees in the building here. I'll fire it up for a moment. Give you an idea of what she sounds like. It's the name of this bike is called Rolling Thunder. Dr. Dave coined that name for it, and it's stuck, and you'll see why in a second. Rolling Thunder's her name. Rolling Thunder's her game. That, my friends, is one healthy 80 cubic inch Evolution motor. These engines are known to be good for over 200,000 miles. It's the best engine I believe Harley's ever made. And I've got a box full of documentation that goes with the bike right here, starting with the clean title. And also, this is a frame letter from Harley Davidson, made out to Dr. Dave Myers, Rancho Cordova, California. To whom it may concern, the Harley Davidson FRX Lowrider Sport Edition with the VIN number 1HD1 was built April 27th, 87, and was metallic blue, silver, and color. The motor company produced 254 models of the FXRs in this color in the 1987 model year. Rusty Dwyer, Harley Davidson. So there's their pedigree. Here's the Oil change every 1,000 miles. 2050 Redline race oil. Extra large Harley oil filter. Cliff branch cylinder heads. RevTech carb. Thunder header. XL ignition. Single dual fire. Reprogrammable. The cam is a custom grind mega cycle cam. And the clutch is a Barnett bad boy. Brand new tires were installed after 29 years. The old tires look like new. I just thought after 29 years, some new rubber was a good thing. So here's the title, California title. And some literature, some dyno flow charts showing the engine setup like this is over 90 horsepower, and a bunch of literature about FXRs in here, and why they're such awesome bikes. If you're watching this video, you probably already know it's the best frame Harley ever made. Best handling frame, original owner's manual, original service manual. So there you have it. It doesn't get any better than that. Full pedigree. Dr. Dave is getting up in years and decided it needed a new home because he wasn't going to ride it. So there you have it. We're not giving it away. The asking price is $15,500 on the bike. There's a little bit of negotiation, a little bit of room on it. The starting bid's at $12,500, and hate to see it go, but she's got to find a new home, and we've got a lot of bills to pay here. Our heat bill was $7,000 last month at the museum here, so it is what it is. So I hate to let her go, but just a stunning machine. Original factory paint, pristine metallic blue. If you have any questions, give us a call, 860-454-7024. Yeah, don't get any better than that. Handles like a dream. Good luck bidding on her, and God bless America.